Okay, hello everybody. I just wanted to take just a minute and update you as to what's coming up on Monday for our online learning for the coming weeks. If you weren't able to be at our Zoom session today, we missed you. It was good to see all of your faces who were there and to hear your comments. And anyway, we are navigating new waters here with the online learning and with the online AP test. So this is a document that I'm going to place on Google Classroom that has this video in it with all kinds of links in here, and I hope that it's clear to you guys and that you can find everything that you'll need. So the first thing on here is going to be a link to this video. Then you're going to have a link to the AP website that's giving all the updates as far as updates for the test go, and that is a clickable link right there. They have also posted a new rubric that I have put here. Basically, the main things you need to know is that the test is going to be online. It is going to be May 15th at 1 p.m. You can read all the details at the link I have provided for you here. Plus, I think Miss Calhoun, Miss Charlotte Calhoun, who is our AP coordinator, is going to be sending out all this information to you guys as she gets it. The test is going to be only 45 minutes long. It's going to be a DBQ, a modified DBQ, 5 documents, 45 minutes, and a modified rubric. It will only cover time periods 3 through 7. However, your contextualization could be from a prior time period. The next, and there's more, just go to the link there to see all those updates and read all those details. The one thing I would say is I haven't seen anywhere that shows exactly where you will log in to take this test. I'm assuming it's AP Classroom, but that hasn't been definitively put out there. But I would be checking your account to make sure you can log in, that you know your login and password and all that, because I would assume that's how you're going to take the test. Miss Leeton and I have decided that it would be best for us, instead of covering new material, to just go ahead and start reviewing to get you ready for the test, okay? So the next link is a writing packet, writing instruction basics that we've used all year that will be helpful for you as a reference as we work towards this DBQ. Also, the College Board has put live and recorded lectures on YouTube. Right now, they are only for time period 8, which is not on the test, but in the weeks to come, they will be for those other time periods as they get those developed. So I think that we should be aware of that and be watching those. Okay, the next link, number 6, is the AP US History Crash Course book, where the PowerPoint and content review videos that we're going to be doing for the next few weeks are based off this book. And so I've given you a link to a PDF version of the book. If you don't like a PDF, they're very cheap on Amazon. You can order one if you want a physical book. The next link, number 7, is Miss Leeton and I's our lesson plans. We will be meeting on Mondays and Wednesdays. In general, on Mondays, we're going to have a content review video for time period. We'll do time period 1 and 2. Then the next week, we'll do time period 3. The next week, time period 4. And on until we get through time period 7. So on Mondays, we'll review content, and you'll have a short assignment to go with that to practice the DBQ with that content. And then on Wednesdays, we're going to specifically review a DBQ skill, and you'll have a short assignment to do with that. On Fridays is a work day, so there is no assignment, but I will be hosting Zoom meetings. They're totally optional if you want to talk about your assignments and about how to improve on your DBQs. We'll do that in Zoom meetings on Fridays. As we learn more from College Board, I'll keep you updated. I appreciate your patience. I'm not good at technology, and I appreciate your continued commitment to your education. It's really important. Now, I encourage you all to go ahead and take the test. What do you have to lose? You have to continue with the course. The course is going to review and get you ready for the test. And I think this is a great opportunity to have a lot of students pass this test. I know you all can do it if you really want to. So let's buckle up and get to work, and we can do this. And I'll see you guys Monday.